there are 7 continents, out of which Asia is the largest. So, we all know that we live in a country, India, which is also part of the continent Asia. India is known for its rich cultural heritage and natural resources. India is also rich with natural beauty with lots of rivers, forests, green valleys and steep mountains. India is a very big country in terms of area. India is the 7th largest country. The largest country in the world is Russia. The population of our country, which is more than 120 crore, is currently second largest in the world after China. China has the largest population in the world. But China has taken many measures to control its population, and in the way our country's population is increasing. Soon we will be overtaking China to become number 1 in population. So, students, what do you think? Will it be good to have the number 1 population in the world? It is good to be number 1, isn't it? No, being number 1 is not always good. Few disadvantages of having a large population are problems with food security. As the number of people increases, the amount of food requirements will also increase. And there are already many people in India who are not able to get proper food. Deforestation. As the population increases, the area required for the people to live will also increase, resulting in more cutting of trees, causing deforestation. India is a very diverse country having so many languages, religions, traditions, and cultures. It is also rich in natural resources and natural beauty. There are snow-covered mountains, perennial rivers, grasslands, green valleys, backwaters, and medicinal plant-filled hills. After every 100 kilometers, you will find different cultures with different languages. India is also known as Hindustan and Bharat. India has total 9 neighboring countries, out of which it shares land boundary with 7 countries, that is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and the rest too, Sri Lanka and Maldives, are our nearest neighbors in the Indian Ocean. The southern part of India is a peninsula, that is, India is surrounded by 3 water bodies: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east. See, it is just below West Bengal, so its name is also Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now we will study about different states and union territories of India. Imagine India is like our school. Like our school is divided into different wings, similarly our country is also divided into different states and union territories. But first I have a quick question for you. When do we celebrate our Independence Day? Yes, you are right, 15th August. But why do we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August? Because on 15th August 1947, our country became independent from the rule of the Britishers. And to celebrate this independence, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On 2nd June 2014, Telangana became India's 29th state. It was carved out of the state Andhra Pradesh, and the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad, which was also the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Until last year, India was a union of 29 states and 7 union territories. But a few constitutional changes were brought by the government of India in August 2019. On October 31, 2019, the state of Jammu Kashmir was removed and 2 new union territories, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh, came into existence, making it a total of 28 states and 9 union territories. The capital of our country, as everybody knows, is National Capital Territory of Delhi. Also, every state and union territory has capital of its own. Please see the map consisting of all the 28 states and 9 union territories along with their capitals. Chandigarh is a union territory and the capital of 2 states, that are Haryana and Punjab. And now imagine if our school did not have rules or regulations. Do you think it will be possible to run the school? No timings for the school, no period timings. Not possible, right? Yes, because without rules, it is very difficult to run anything. Similarly, our country also has some rules and regulations. These rules are made by the government. There are 2 types of government in our country, and they are central government and state government.